Hey guys, welcome back to printerfix.support. Are you struggling to connect your HP Desktop 3755 to Wi-Fi? This could be a little tricky, especially if it's your first time setting up a wireless printer. The good news is, it's actually simple, once you know the exact buttons to press. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step instructions to connect your printer to Wi-Fi super fast. Ensure that your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network you intend to use with the printer. Ensure your HP desktop printer is turned on. Press and hold the cancel and Wi-Fi buttons together. When you see the power button flashing, release the cancel and Wi-Fi buttons. Grab your smartphone and open the Wi-Fi settings. Now, search and select DeskJet 3700 series from the list of available devices. On your smartphone, download the HP Smart app and either sign in with your existing HP account or make a new one. If you need help downloading the app or setting up your account, I've got separate videos linked in the description. You can pause this one and check them out anytime. Once you've signed in, open the HP Smart app, go to the home screen and tap on Add Printer. On the printer setup page, select the Already Connected to Network option. Now select your HP printer series from the list that will make sure that app talks to the right machine. Now your printer will appear on the home screen in the Connected Printer section.